Hi guys, welcome to Teja Tech YouTube channel. Today we discussing about SQL outer join. SQL outer join. Okay, already in yesterday class we discussed about the joins and what are the joins types, right? Okay, what is the join? What is the use of join? A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on related column between them. In SQL, we have total two types of joins: equijoin and non-equijoin. Again, equijoin divided into two types: inner join and outer join. Already in yesterday class we discussed about inner join, right? Now today we discussing about the outer join. What is the meaning of outer join? Okay, this SQL outer join condition returns all rows from both tables which satisfy the join condition along with rows and which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the tables. What is the meaning of joins? It returns all records from one table which satisfy records from one table which do not satisfy join condition from one of the table. This SQL join condition returns all rows from both tables both tables, which satisfy the join condition along with rows. Condition along with rows and which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the table. What is the meaning of SQL outer join? This SQL join condition returns all rows from both tables. It returns all rows from both tables, table A, table B, and which satisfy the join condition along with rows from one table and which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the table. This is the meaning of the SQL outer join. And SQL outer join outer join operator in Oracle is plus symbol. What is the outer join symbol? Plus, and is used on one side of the join condition only. Okay. SQL outer join operator in Oracle is plus symbol and is used on one side of the join condition only. Okay, you will see the practically how to join two tables by using SQL outer join. I'm going to open Oracle Database 10G Express Edition, run SQL command line. Okay, I am connecting database user Siva. Already I created database user password. Now I connected to database user. In Siva database user, I created many tables. We'll see the how many tables that are there in the my database. What is the command of to select all tables? Select to star from tab. See here many tables are there. In these tables, I am going to selecting any two tables. Okay, I want to select here product table and order items table. Okay, select star from product table. Product table. We should enter as it is. We entering tables like that you don't get that table because of it will show the error. See, I selected one table. In one table, total we have a four columns. First column product ID, product name. Next to supplier name. Next to unit price. Right. Next again, I am going to selecting one more table. The table is order items. Select star from order item table. See, total we have two tables. One table name is product table, another one table name is order tables. In these two tables, total we have how many columns? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total we have 7 columns. In 7 columns, in first product table we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows we have. In second table, how many columns we have? Only 4 columns. Okay, what is the definition of outer join? Okay, outer join condition returns all rows from both tables which satisfy the join condition along with rows which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the tables. This is the meaning of outer join. It returns all records from both tables which satisfy the join condition from uh, from uh, from two tables which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the tables. It returns all values, satisfy values and do not satisfied values. It will return. Okay, we'll see the what is the query of outer join. Select p dot product id comma p dot product name comma o dot order id comma o dot total units comma from which table we are selecting order items table and product table. Order items O comma product pre product table p. What is the condition where o dot product id plus in outer chain we using the plus operator by for joining the two tables using plus operator plus equal to p dot product id product id. See here we join two tables. We see here how many rows are there here, five rows. In another table we have only four rows, right? See here how many rows are written, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 100 is not to satisfy the another table. Okay, but it is returned 100 also. That is the reason we are calling outer join. What is the meaning of outer join? Okay, which satisfy the join condition along with the rows which do not satisfy join condition from one of the table. It returns all rows from the both tables. But what is the inner join? It returns records that have matching values in both tables. Remaining rows it will not return in inner join, but in outer join it will return all records from both tables. Okay, if you have any doubt, put in comment section. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share. Thanks for watching.